I am Simon Pineda, and today I'm going to talk about nouns, what they are, how we use them, and give some examples about it. So let's get started. So what is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or animal. We use nouns every day when we talk about people, places we go, things we use, or animals we see around us. So here are the example of nouns. Let's start with the person nouns. This tells us who we're talking about. Example, teacher, student, and police officer. Next are places. These are location or areas. Examples, park, school, and hospital. Now for things. Object that we use or see. Example, pencil, chair, cell phone, and tables. And lastly, animals. Name of animals around us. Example, cat, dog, elephant, and bird. Now that we've seen the types of nouns and their examples, let's see how we actually use them in sentences. How do we use nouns? We use nouns to tell who or what a sentence is about. Here are some sentence examples that use nouns. Let's start with the person. The teacher is writing on the board. Who is the noun here? The answer is the teacher. Now a place. We went to park yesterday. What's the noun? The answer is the park. Next a thing. I lost my cell phone at school. What's the noun? The answer is the cell phone. And lastly, an animal. The dog is barking loudly. What's the noun? The noun is a dog. That's all for today. I hope this helped you understand nouns better. Thanks for watching and see you next time.